Hello everyone, welcome to my first vlog. My name is Neha and today I'm gonna share with you something very special. This vlog is about my journey of learning English after marriage, and it's just not about English, it's about confidence, growth and believing in yourself. So I got married. After that I came to Hyderabad along with my husband, and everything was new for me, new city, new people, new language. But my husband encouraged me. He always said you can do it. Then I started learning English seriously because I wanted to learn English. I wanted to do something big. I wanted be confident. So after that, sorry guys, after that in the beginning, I made many mistakes, pronunciation, grammar, everything. I laughed at myself, but I never gave up. I used to think what people will say about me, what will happen when people will judge me. I used to think what will happen when people will ask me tough question, tough words, which one I don't know. I think it happens to everyone. Then I told myself, no, I can do it. I will learn slowly. I will take time, but I will learn. And after that, I began to understanding what others were saying. Then I started to replying people, and then I remember that day when I talked my first full sentence confidently. It felt amazing to me. So at that time, I said English is not tough. We need just courage and consistency. Then slowly I started improving English, and nowadays I can speak and I can understand English, and I can make video like this also. So it's good for me. I nowadays I can express my thought more clearly, more than before. So it's okay. I do mistake, I still do mistake, but that's okay. I have learned mistakes are part of learning. And I used to watch English content, and I used to read small stories. I used to read simple sentences. Like that I learned English. I'm learning nowadays also. I know when I will do mistake. Whenever I don't know anything, or somewhere I do mistake, so after that I feel like bad, but that's okay. When I will do mistake, then I will learn where I have to improve. So after that, I'm so grateful to my husband to believing in myself, sorry, believing in me and myself too, because never giving up. And I will say, if I can do it, you can too. You just need consistency, discipline, and you have to be determined about that thing. You will definitely achieve that. Secondly, to all the people, whoever is watching this video, please remember, it's never too late to start something new. If you truly want to learn something, you can. Just trust yourself. Nobody can stop you. Okay? After that, whatever you gain from it, that changes your whole life. So start today and take small steps and trust yourself. You will definitely achieve whatever you wanna achieve. So I hope my journey inspired you. If my journey inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, because this is just the beginning. Many more stories are coming. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, you take care. Bye.